They say the jungle keeps its own secrets, but some are too wild to be contained. In the heart of the mist-shrouded jungle, where ancient trees pierced the drifting fog, a barefoot boy stood his ground. He was not alone. Before him, a bear of immense size rose, its fur the color of deep earth. Their eyes met, a silent and profound exchange passing between them, a moment suspended in time, filled with a mystical tension that hung in the very air. The jungle watched, holding its breath. As the boy and the bear forged their unlikely truce, a girl navigated her own path through the unknown. She guided a small wooden boat across a river cloaked in a thick, swirling mist. Her journey was solitary, yet she sensed she was not alone. Beneath the water's placid surface, immense, shadowy forms glided past, their movements hinting at the river's hidden depths and the mysteries that lay ahead, adding a layer of quiet suspense to her quest. Drawn by an unseen force, the boy and the bear ventured together into the mouth of a dark, gaping cave. They moved with caution, their steps echoing in the silence. But this was no ordinary darkness. A soft, ethereal glow emanated from deep within, pulsing with a gentle, magical light. It whispered of ancient secrets and power long forgotten, beckoning them further into the heart of the earth. Miles away, the girl pulled her boat ashore, stepping onto the damp riverbank. In her hands, she held a map unlike any other. It was not made of paper, but of pure, woven light, covered in mystical symbols that shifted and danced before her eyes. The glow illuminated her face, reflecting a mixture of awe and dawning understanding as she began to decipher its ancient message. Suddenly, a destructive force was unleashed. A flicker of orange blossomed into a raging inferno, spreading through the jungle with terrifying speed. Flames licked at the damp leaves, and thick, acrid smoke billowed through the canopy, turning the lush paradise into a chaotic scene of destruction. The fire consumed everything in its path, a roaring monster hungry for the ancient wood. Amidst the chaos, a bond was tested and proven. The boy and the bear ran side by side, a blur of synchronized motion against the fiery backdrop. In a heroic slow-motion flight, they moved as one, their shared purpose and powerful connection, their only shield against the encroaching flames. They were not just a boy and a beast. They were partners against the world. Having outrun the inferno, the pair reached the edge of the devastation. They stood together, soot-stained and weary, looking out from the charred remains of the forest into the untouched, vibrant jungle that stretched before them. The fire was behind them, but their journey was far from over. A new, uncertain path lay ahead. At that very moment, the girl made a choice. With the glowing map clutched in her hand, she stepped off the riverbank and into the foggy jungle. Her expression was one of unwavering resolve. Unbeknownst to her, her path had finally converged with that of the boy and the bear. Three worlds were about to collide, and the jungle's greatest secret was ready to be revealed.